Welcome to Useful AI Hacks. Today, I'm revealing the secrets to writing perfect AI prompts using only free tools so you get consistent, high-quality results every single time. Whether you're creating content, brainstorming ideas, or coding, mastering prompt engineering is the key to unlocking AI's full potential. In this video, we'll use the most popular and accessible free AI platform available right now, ChatGPT's free version by OpenAI. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure AI power at your fingertips. Let's dive in. AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. That's why prompt engineering crafting the right input is essential for getting the output you want. A well-written prompt can mean the difference between a generic answer and a game-changing result. To get reliable, repeatable results from AI, every prompt should meet these 4 requirements. Clarity, be specific and clear about what you want. Vague prompts lead to vague answers. Instead of write a story, write a 100-word story about a time traveler who visits ancient Egypt. Context, provide background information or context. The more the AI knows, the better the output. For example, I'm a YouTube creator making videos about AI tools. Write a script introducing a new AI platform to my audience. Format. Tell the AI exactly how you want the answer formatted. Do you want a list, a table, a script, or bullet points? Example, list 5 blog post ideas about AI in bullet points. Constraints are necessary to set boundaries for length, tone, or style. For instance, summarize this article in 50 words using a friendly and conversational tone. Let's see these in action with real-world examples. Use case 1, content creation. Prompt, I'm a blogger writing about AI productivity. Give me 3 unique blog post ideas, each with a catchy title and a 1-sentence summary. Format as a numbered list. Use case 2, brainstorming. Prompt, I need YouTube video ideas for a channel about free AI tools. List 5 ideas with short descriptions formatted as bullet points. Use case 3, coding help. Prompt, write a Python function that sorts a list of numbers in ascending order. Include comments explaining each step. Use case 4, social media posts. Prompt, write a tweet announcing a new AI video generator. Keep it under 280 characters, use an enthusiastic tone, and include a hashtag. Notice how each prompt is clear, gives context, specifies the format, and sets constraints. Always review and refine your prompts. If the output isn't what you want, tweak your instructions. Save your best prompts for future use. Reusing well-structured prompts ensures consistency. Experiment with different formats and constraints to see what works best for your needs. ChatGPT's free version is the most popular, widely available, and user-friendly AI platform right now. It's perfect for learning prompt engineering, testing ideas, and getting high-quality results without spending a dime. Here's a bonus prompting pro tip. Use role instructions, like act as a professional marketer and add examples like write a product description like insert example here. Combine requirements as such. List 3 ideas, each with a title, summary, and a suggested thumbnail image. Okay, let's recap and focus on some final thoughts for successful prompting. To get the best results when prompting AI, remember the 4 prompt requirements: clarity, context, format, and constraints. Practice with real use cases, and you'll see your AI outputs improve instantly. Clarity, context, format, constraints, and add a role for even better results. If you found this AI prompting demo helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more daily useful AI hacks and AI news updates. Drop your favorite prompt in the comments below and tell us what AI platform you want us to focus on next. Thanks for watching Useful AI Hacks, your go-to source for mastering AI tools and daily AI news updates. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. In the meantime, you can check out one of our other daily AI update videos right here.